plastic is omnipresent. And we are there wherever and whenever you need. We are Sulbras Moldes e Plásticos, a 100% Brazilian company and 100% dedicated to your business. Caxias do Sul, 1984. Sulbras was founded, a company specialized in the development and construction of injection molds, solutions for technical parts, and sub-assemblies of injection molded plastics. Over the years, we have invested in sustainable growth, combined with innovation in processes and people management. We value our origins. We believe in the union of talents, accents, and cultures. The plurality makes us unique. Sulbras currently has 6 production units in Brazil. Over 30,000 square meters and 100 million pieces per year. We develop and supply molds, plastic parts and sets with a world-class level of excellence to the most diverse sectors of the productive activities, such as automotive, transport, information and communications technology, home appliances, residential equipment, electronics, agribusiness, technical parts, among others. To guarantee high precision, reliability, and performance, we have laboratories with rigorous physical and chemical tests. The Sulbras Molds and Devices Technology Center offers technical assistance and activities throughout the development cycle of injection molds and devices. We keep a strategic partnership with our customers with certified quality throughout Brazil. Sulbras's just-in-time and just-in-sequence systems deliver customized logistics that are connected to the demands of each sector. We optimize processes and multiply solutions. In addition to continuous investment in technology, engineering, and industrial innovation, we adopted internal practices and we support community projects for sustainable, social, and environmental development. We believe in modern and efficient management of people and resources. We believe, above all, in inspired and trained professionals for a better future. Sulbras is present at home, on the streets, and at work. It shapes solutions, brings people together, and turns challenges into great opportunities. Sulbras, shaping the future with sustainable technologies.